smells so freaking good, dude. And I'm just thinking about, if I was outside right now, I would be freaking cold as hell, freezing. And my things would be getting ruined in my bag. But that's what's apparently going to end up being the case. Unless by some miraculous miracle something else happens. The only thing I can say about right now is it smells freaking amazing. That's the only thing that I can freaking say about right now. That it smells amazing. And